Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we're diving into mouth-watering strawberry donut recipes and revealing the top places to try them. Step-by-step preparation guide. Mix dry ingredients. Whisk flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. Combine wet ingredients. In another bowl, beat the egg, milk, melted butter, vanilla, and strawberry puree. Bring it together. Gently fold wet ingredients into dry until just combined. Overmixing makes dense donuts. Cook your way. Baked. Spoon batter into a greased donut pan, filling each cavity 2/3 full. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Fried. Roll dough out to half-inch thickness, cut into rings, and fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 minutes per side. Cool completely before glazing or filling. Pro tip. Poke a toothpick into the center of baked donuts. If it comes out clean, they're done. For fried, golden brown means ready. Tips for baking versus frying. Baking pros. Lighter texture, less greasy. Easier for beginners, no hot oil risks. Lower calorie, but let's be real, it's still a donut. Frying pros. Traditional crisp exterior with a fluffy interior. Faster cook time per donut. Better for yeasted doughs. Choose baking for convenience, frying for indulgence. If frying, maintain oil temperature, a candy thermometer helps. Creative toppings and glazes. A plain strawberry donut is great, but toppings take it to dessert art status. Try these. Classic pink glaze. Mix powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and strawberry puree. Dip cooled donuts and let set. Crunchy sprinkle mix. Add crushed freeze-dried strawberries to sprinkles for extra flavor. Stuffed surprise. Inject jam or pastry cream using a piping bag after cooling. Drizzle effect. Melt white chocolate, mix in strawberry powder, and zigzag over glazed donuts. For a showstopper, top with fresh strawberry slices or edible flowers right before serving. The key. Let glazes sit for 10 minutes so they don't smudge. Now, the only challenge is deciding whether to share them. Where to find the best strawberry donuts? If you're craving strawberry donuts, you don't have to make them yourself, though it's fun if you do. From small-town bakeries to big-name chains, plenty of places serve outstanding strawberry donuts. Here's where to look. Local bakeries with must-try strawberry donuts. Local bakeries often shine with fresh, creative takes on strawberry donuts. These spots tend to use real fruit and handmade recipes, making them worth the hunt. Union Square Donuts, Boston, Massachusetts. Their strawberry glazed donut is next level, with a tangy sweet icing and fluffy yeast base. Blue Star Donuts, Portland, Oregon and Los Angeles, California, known for brioche-style donuts. Their strawberry shortcake version is packed with jam and topped with crumble. Donut Plant, New York, New York. Their seasonal strawberry donut features a jelly center and crispy sugar coating. Gordo's, Austin, Texas. Indulgent to the core, their strawberry donut comes piled with fresh berries and whipped cream. Federal Donuts, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, a local gem. Their strawberry frosted donut uses real strawberry puree in the glaze. Check for seasonal offerings. Many bakeries rotate strawberry flavors in spring and summer. National chains that excel in strawberry donuts. Big chains don't always mean boring flavors. These brands consistently deliver solid strawberry donut options. Krispy Kreme, their strawberry iced glazed is a classic, with a smooth pink icing that's just sweet enough. Dunkin', the strawberry frosted donut is a simple crowd pleaser, especially with sprinkles. Tim Hortons, try their strawberry vanilla donut for a creamy twist with real berry flavor. Lamar's Donuts, Midwest and Colorado. Their strawberry frosted donut has a cult following for its perfect balance of glaze and soft dough. Donut Bar, multiple locations, including San Diego and Phoenix, famous for oversized donuts. Their Strawberry Fields version is loaded with toppings. Pro tip: always check if the strawberry flavor is seasonal. Some chains, like Krispy Kreme, offer it year-round, while others only bring it out for limited runs. Whether you prefer fancy local spots or trusty chains, there's a strawberry donut out there waiting for you. Strawberry donut variations around the world. Strawberry donuts aren't just a one-note treat. Across the globe, bakers put their own spin on this fruity classic, blending local ingredients and traditions into every bite. From fluffy American glazes to delicate European pastries, here's how different cultures make strawberry donuts their own. American-style strawberry donuts. In the US, strawberry donuts lean bold and playful. Think thick glazes, generous fillings, and toppings that practically demand a photo. Glazed rings. Simple yeast donuts dipped in pink strawberry icing, often topped with rainbow sprinkles. Jelly-filled. Fried dough pumped with strawberry jam, a diner staple since the 1950s. Caked donuts. Denser texture with strawberry puree mixed right into the batter, then dusted with powdered sugar. Regional quirks pop up too. In the South, you might find strawberry donuts drizzled with honey. On the West Coast, expect artisanal versions with organic berries and vegan glaze. Asian-inspired strawberry donuts. Asia's take on strawberry donuts often balances sweetness with subtlety. Less sugar, more focus on texture and presentation. Mochi donuts, Japan. Chewy, bouncy rings with strawberry glaze, sometimes wrapped around fresh berries. Korean strawberry donuts. Lightly fried dough topped with glossy jam and edible flowers for Instagram-worthy appeal. Taiwanese bubble donuts. Airy spheres filled with strawberry cream, like a hybrid of donut and bubble tea. Some bakeries use fermented strawberry paste for a deeper flavor, or match the donut to seasonal fruit festivals. European takes on the classic. Europe treats strawberry donuts with a pastry chef's precision. They're often lighter, less sugary, and paired with high-quality ingredients. Berliners, Germany. Yeasted donuts injected with fresh strawberry custard, dusted with vanilla sugar. Beignets, France. Square fried dough piled with strawberry compote and whipped cream, more fork and knife than grab and go. Krif, Balkans. Fluffy rounds filled with rose-scented strawberry jam, a nod to Middle Eastern influences. In Italy, you might find bomboloni stuffed with mascarpone and strawberries. British bakeries favor strawberry icing atop classic jam donuts, always with a side of tea. One thing's clear, no matter where you are, strawberry donuts adapt without losing their charm. Strawberry donuts bring together the best of both worlds, sweet dough and bright, fruity flavor. They've evolved from simple fried treats to creative masterpieces, with options for every taste, whether you prefer a classic glaze, a jam-filled center, or a gourmet twist. Making them at home is easier than you think, especially with fresh strawberries and a little patience. If baking isn't your thing, local bakeries and chains offer plenty of delicious choices. The next time you spot a strawberry donut, grab one, or better yet, try making your own. One bite will show you why they're a favorite. This video is your one-stop guide to falling in love with strawberry donuts all over again. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.